জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
Please forgive me, my child. I make you suffer time and again being selfish. What can I do? I'm a father. How can I keep quiet? My son is in danger.
How dare you boast about it, Mr. Basu? Tell me. How dare you humiliate my daughter to protect your son from danger? How dare you?
No, I didn't want to.
Let me tell you this, Mr. Basu. You are a selfish father. Henceforth, I'll also be a selfish mother now. Henceforth, I will only consider what's good for my daughter. I'll only be concerned about my daughter's well-being. I won't let my daughter get humiliated anymore, Mr. Basu. Few people are educated and rich. You can break a relationship of a lifetime with a signature on paper. You can transform your daughter-in-law into a housemaid.
No, I'm not able to explain it properly. They will not get divorced, I'm sure.
They will get divorced, Mr. Basu. Let me tell you, Nayan and Dripto will get divorced. I will make sure I break their marriage, Mr. Basu. I will separate them.
Hey Deepu, where did you go without informing anyone? Tell me, you didn't eat anything? Come with me, sit down here. What's wrong with you? Tell me what the matter is. Sit down. Sit down.
Dripto, what's the matter? You're looking so disturbed. Have some water first.
Yes, drink water.
Have some water and tell us in detail what happened.
Why are you looking so disturbed? Tell me clearly. Say. Deepu. Okay. I'm here with you, right? I'm here. You'll be happy if you divorce that girl, right? I don't like to see you so restless, son. I don't like it at all. Why do you worry?
Mom, did you call the lawyer?
What?
I mean, what all do I need to divorce that girl? Will he come here to guide me on that?
Yes, he will be here. Why do you worry so much?
Once Dripto is divorced, we'll find a suitable match for him and get him married.
What?
No.
What's the matter? Mother said Deepu wanted to divorce Nayan. If that is the case, why is he reacting so strongly about getting married? Does he...
What happened, Deepu? Why are you refusing to get married? The priest himself is looking for a match for you. We wish to get you married in a grand way and you are reacting like this?
You don't understand, Dripto. If you want to get rid of that girl forever, there's only one way to do it. You need to divorce her. You'll have to get married to someone. You'll have to bring a wife. Only then you can stop that girl forever from entering this house. Do you understand? Isn't it?
Exactly.
No, I will think about that later. I want to get rid of that fraud girl by all means. I'll think about all that later. Mom, you please make arrangements for the divorce as soon as possible. Please, you please look into it.
Deepu.
What's the matter? Why did Dripto get irritated when we spoke about his marriage?
You're always in a hurry. Give him some time. Take one thing at a time. Let him get divorced, then we'll think of marriage.
Okay, as you wish. When will the lawyer come?
He'll be here anytime. Hey, listen. Let us go upstairs. We need to be around Deepu, got it? We shouldn't leave him alone.
Okay,
Come.
let's go.
That means they have contacted a lawyer for real. Will Deepu and Nayan get separated now? No, that can't be true. Kalpana, how can you let that happen? How can you? Yes, Mr. Basu, they must get separated. I will separate them. I won't let them stay together, Mr. Basu.
Ma'am, please don't say this. Please try to understand
Please,
my point.
please, Mr. Basu. I request you, Mr. Basu. You have explained yourself a lot. We don't need any more explanation. You fooled us. You fooled us. You fooled us as we are village people. You fooled us. Not anymore. I won't be fooled anymore. Mr. Basu, you're not ready for the divorce because it is not in the interest of your son, right? Tell me. You can do that. You are a father. It is obvious that you will think about your son's interest. But let me make it clear, Mr. Basu. Let me make it clear. Henceforth, I'll also think about my daughter's interest. I'll also think about what is best for my daughter. I will get my daughter divorced like educated and urban people do. And then I'll get my daughter married again.
No! 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 No!
No. This can't be, Kalpana. This can't be. I thought you brought Nayan to this house for Deepu. If that is true, why would Nayan have to go away from Deepu's life? Why? Tell me why. Tell me why are you separating both of them?
No, mother, no. I beg you, please don't say that. Even hearing that is a sin for me, mother.
What sin, my child? What sin? We won't commit any sin. We won't commit. They will commit a sin who have played with our trust and are still playing with it, Nayan.
Mother. Mother. What? And what about my beliefs, mother? Since childhood, I've believed what you said. It was you who used to say that marriages are for lifetimes. If that's true, can that relationship of a lifetime break with the stroke of a pen? Tell me. No matter how much you try, but you can't make me forget that Tripto is my husband. The one whom I accepted as my husband in front of Lourdes. No one can separate me from him, mother.
What are you saying, Nayan? Will you still consider Dripto your husband even after hearing all this? Will you fulfill their unjust demand? No, Nayan, no. Don't ruin your life this way. If you have decided you wouldn't exert any rights on Dripto, then you will have to consider starting your life afresh.
Rights? I didn't come to Kolkata from the village to exert my rights, grandfather. I came here to protect Tripto. Grandfather, I took a vow under the watch of the holy fire and Lourdes so that I can protect him always. I will always protect him against all the dangers. I won't let anything happen to him. Nothing will happen to him. If I want to exert my rights now, what will happen to my vows, grandfather? I promised his mother, grandfather, that I will protect him, risking my own life. No danger can come near him. What about that promise?
Sister Kalpana, that Nayan is just like you. Did I make a mistake by assuming that? No. How can that be a mistake? You brought Nayan to this house yourself. I believe that even if others don't believe it. Then, what happened then, Kalpana? Why aren't you stopping? Why aren't you stopping Nayan and Deepu's separation? Even Gurudev can't tolerate her at all. Why is this happening? Tell me, Kalpana. Does that mean you don't want to hold Nayan back anymore?
Nayan.
Grandfather, it's you who says that rights are not everything. If I act selfish, then I won't be able to face Lotus. I am not here to demand anything from you people. Neither respect, nor dignity, nor love that a daughter-in-law deserves. Dripto has disowned me a while back. He doesn't have any responsibility towards me. Even if he had any, I'm releasing him from that responsibility today, Father. The responsibility is only mine. To protect him, to save him, to love. I'm exerting a right on you, unknowingly, Father. I was upset on you, but not anymore. I thought I won't call you Father anymore, but I called you again. I can understand your pain, Father, but don't blame yourself. To tell you the truth, it was I who begged to Lourdes. I prayed to her that she should make me invisible, as he's not able to tolerate me in front of him. I asked her to find a way so that I could protect him even if I was not in front of his eyes. He shouldn't get scared of me all the time, Father. Lourdes has answered my prayers, Father. Lourdes has found a way, Mother. If I remained his wife, I couldn't protect him from behind. This is better. The master won't bother about a housemaid. I will be invisible if I'm a housemaid. But I'll be around him. My wish to become a shield from far will be fulfilled, Mother. My wish will be fulfilled now.
শোয়ে দু চোখ ভরা কান্না বয়ে ছুটছে মেয়ে কাঁপছে ভয়ে পরের তরে চোখে যে তার মায়া পরের তরে চোখে তার মায়া
I am not that kind of a mother who will risk your life.
দেখলো বিপদ মনের চোখে
Leave, Nayan. You should leave. I am releasing you, Nayan. I am releasing you from the bond today. From now on, you are free.
Mother, I can't be free though you or your son have released me. No matter what my identity is, no matter what the relationship is, I will remain his protective shield, Lotus.
No, Sister Kalpana. You can't keep quiet today. You'll have to answer me today. Why are you separating Deepu and Nayan? You can't keep quiet, Sister Kalpana. Tell me. Tell me.
Aunt? What is this? Well, my friend used to tell me that Deepu's mom asked her to protect him. Mother, that means you spoke to my friend and with aunt too. That's not fair. You're not talking only to me. Okay, let me start. Hello, mother. How are you? How are you doing? I'm good.
Rangana. Don't you have any sense at all? What? Deepu is going to divorce your friend. They will get separated soon. And you are doing all this? I see. Shouldn't we stop them from getting divorced?
They're getting divorced, right? Wait. Let's stop that. Come with me. Hey, listen. Hey. But how will we stop them from getting divorced?
Lotus, I take a vow by placing my hand over this lamp that I will never let that come true what I saw. I promise you, Lotus. And I will do whatever it takes for that. Do whatever is required. I'll give you any amount, but they must get divorced. That's it.
Yeah, that comes later. Who is getting divorced?
He is my...
Here, I have brought him.
Come, Deepu. Come in. Dripto, my eldest son. Unfortunately, he has a failed marriage. He wants to get out of it as soon as possible. Please arrange for the divorce as soon as you can.
Yeah, that's okay. See, I can only try my best. But you need to know something. You're seeking a divorce. It's okay if it's mutual. But there will be a problem if it's one-sided. Mr. Basu, getting a divorce is not a piece of cake which you can have at any time. What is your wife's opinion regarding this? Will she agree to divorce you?
I will never ever back off, Lourdes. If I need to be a servant of that house to save him, I'll be one. I need to be around Dripto by any means. Otherwise, I won't be able to protect him from dangers, Lourdes. Please be with me, Lourdes. Please be with me.